we discuss a fact about the chemical composition of DNA. Nature selected thymine in DNA instead of uracil. Why? Nitrogenous base composition in the DNA is A, T, G and C. Adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, and in RNA A, U, G, C means the RNA possesses uracil in place of thymine of the DNA. When uracil is methylated at position 5 by a methyl group, it is converted into thymine. So, chemically, thymine is a 5-methyl uracil. We know DNA is a double helical structure composed of two complementary strands. These complementary strands are held together by hydrogen bonding between the nitrogenous base. Adenine is always base paired with thymine by 2 hydrogen bond, and guanine is always base paired with cytosine by 3 hydrogen bonds. Fidelity or accuracy of the replication of the DNA maintain the integrity of these base pair generation after generation. However, point mutation may change such type of the base pairing. Rate of the mutation is more or less similar in most of the gene relative to their size. Some sites have more number of the mutation than expected by random distribution. They may be 10 or 100 times more than expected by random hit. These sites are known as hotspots. Hotspots are depend on the type of mutagens, the substance which cause the mutations. Different mutagens affect different hotspot. A point mutation may change the base pair in DNA by the events of first, modification in one base change into different base. Second, malfunctioning of the process of replication may cause a mistake, that is placement of wrong or incorrect or mismatched base by DNA polymerase. In the process of modification, cytosine is methylated at 5th position by a methyl group in presence of enzyme methylase. As a result, cytosine is converted into 5-methyl cytosine. The DNA sites possessing 5-methyl cytosine represent hotspot for spontaneous mutation. These hotspots are affected by a potent mutagen HNO2, nitrous acid. This mutagen causes deamination. By the process of deamination, 5-methyl cytosine is converted into thymine by the replacement of amino group by a keto group. As a result, GC base pair is converted into GT. In subsequent replication, this base pair replicate to form a normal GC base pair in one daughter molecule and AT mutation base pair in another daughter molecule. As a result, the GC base pair is changed into AT, it results a mutation. Similarly, Nitrous acid, a potent mutagen, also cause deamination of cytosine into uracil by replacement of amino group into the keto group. As a result, GC base pair in DNA is converted into GU. The living system possesses a specific enzyme, uracil DNA glycosylase. This enzyme releases the U. As a result, the G remain unpaired. The living system also possesses DNA repairing system under the control of DNA polymerase. This system insert a cytosine residue as a partner of guanine. As a result, the original sequence of the DNA is restored. This system of the DNA repairing protects the DNA from the deamination caused by the mutagen nitrous acid. This system of the repairing doesn't operative when 5-methyl cytosine is converted into the thymine, because thymine is a component of the DNA. So this system cannot distinguish the original thymine from the thymine arised by the mutation. Uracil is not a component of DNA. It is formed from the cytosine by deamination. As a result, GC base pair of the DNA is changed into GU base pair. The DNA repairing mechanism immediately recognizes this uracil and replaces rapidly by cytosine. If uracil were a component of DNA, then the DNA repairing system would not be able to recognize the original uracil, and the uracil originated from mutation. Means when the GC base pair is converted into GU, then it cannot be recognized that this GU was earlier GC or AU. Means this G is the mutated form of A or U is mutated form of the C. To combat this problem of distinguishing the original uracil from the uracil originated by mutation, nature selected thymine in DNA instead of uracil. Thank you.